so I'm just girl, just let me know what's good. Need you. Oh, I need you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a collaboration with Nadula hair. This is how the wig is looking, super pretty, and it actually came this color, so they dye it and everything for you. All I can say is it does bleed, so when you're washing it you are gonna get some red dye coming out. So mine kind of looks pink. It was like more vibrant when I first got it, but I always wash the wigs before I put it on my head, so it kind of washed out some of the color. And I just wanted to show you guys what came in the packaging, and also once you enter the giveaway you will be winning all the stuff that's in the packaging. So, and to enter you just have to leave a comment down below to enter. So this is their box, and then this one came with quite a few things. This Nadula headband, bonnet, and a wig grip. I actually like wearing this. If you want to wear your wig glueless, I recommend putting this on and then just wear it glueless. That's without no spray, without no glue. This really holds the wig in place. And some lashes. It also comes with the regular bag, and this one comes with a robe, so you're going to be receiving a gold robe with this package. So yeah, that's all the things that came in today's package. I'm going to show you guys me putting on this wig, and also yeah, so I'm gonna just show you me installing the wig and how I did these curls. So yeah, and if you guys want to enter this giveaway, make sure you leave a comment down below, and let's get right into this video. Okay guys, so I'm just coming to talk you guys through what I'm doing. I always talk you guys through this, so if you're not new to the channel, you already know exactly what I'll be doing, child. I'm using some Ebin edge control to sleek my hair back. This is how you're gonna protect your edges. Guys, the giveaways are coming to an end soon, so next week I'm gonna be announcing 3 giveaway winners. Make sure you guys leave your comments down below to be entered into these giveaways. You guys can see I actually freaking ripped my lace multiple times in this wig because I was using this dumbass tweezer because I couldn't find my good tweezers, and I need to go on Amazon and try to figure out which ones are my good ones. I'm just showing you a little bit of the specs inside the wig. It comes with 3 combs. It's pre-colored. I did not color this, so it's giving more of like a reddish burgundy type of look. I'm gonna cut off my ear tabs, and then I'm gonna stick the wig down. This is super quick and simple, and I actually did another video showing you guys how fast it takes me. Well, not fast, but like I was timing myself putting the wig on. I'm using my Ebin Lace Wonder. This one is the Extreme Hold, the Supreme one, and it has like 20 times hold. So I apply 4 layers of this, making sure that it's tacky in between. This is gonna give me my ultimate melt, so I don't have to use glue. Absolutely love this method. And then once the lace is down, I'm going to use my comb to comb the hair back and kind of give it a little tiny bit tension. And then I'm going to blow it so it can get even more tacky because it wasn't tacky enough for the lace to stick. And once it's tacky where I feel it kind of holding, I'm going to tie it down with this elastic band. I'm going to cut off the lace now, and I love using my razor. The razor gives, okay? The razor gives it a jagged edge where it helps it to melt into your skin even more. Once the lace is cut off, I'm going to go in with my Ruby Kisses two-sided foundation in the color 14 and 15. That's going to just melt that lace line, and then I'm going to take out the edges area before I spray one more layer of spray to melt this lace down. So now I'm going to spray down a little bit more of the hairspray. I absolutely love this hairspray. If you have not tried this method, I highly recommend it. If you don't know how to install your wigs, just follow along with these videos and you'll be able to install it really, really quick. I'm blowing it before I tie it down one more time. And when you tie it down, you want to leave it for 5 minutes, and then you can take it out and start doing your edges. Okay, and then now I decided I wanted to do a little bit of layers. So I'm just sectioning the hair right by my ear. And then I'm going to cut it with my scissors in a diagonal area going down. Just like that, super quick and simple. I wanted to have a little bit of layers in front of my face, so that's how much I cut off. This looks so good. Like, it just makes the hair look so nice. It gives it some character. And now I'm gonna go ahead and start styling the edges. I'm making sure that I'm breaking up the cast so I have more of a natural look. You want to take your time with this, and then you're going to use your hot comb to make sure that everything is nice and pressed, and just break up all the little casts that you can find. And then once I'm done doing that, I'm going to use the tweezers and tweeze some of the hair. This is the tweezer that ripped my lace, but I didn't have no other one that I can find, so I'm using my razor comb to cut down the edges. You can use the same razor that you use to cut the lace, but I'm just using a razor comb. And then I'm going to use my pencil flat iron and curl it going downwards. This is what I do all the time, guys. So went in with my Gorilla Snot to lay these edges down. I love this because you buy the big bottle, it's super cheap, and you only use a little bit, so it lasts you a long time. So I'm just swooping it, and I'm using my fingers to give me some sort of direction and just go back and forth. It takes me about 12 minutes to do my edges. I'm just speeding. I sped the video up, so it may seem like I'm doing it fast, but take your time. It takes a while to master it, and you can always go back and fix it. That's what I love about the Gorilla Snot. As long as you don't blow dry it, you could still go back in and move it around and fix it and stuff. Okay, and once I do that, I'm going to show you guys how I do my beach waves. So I basically hold the curling iron upwards, and then I'm curling it like normal, but then I'm taking it out of the barrel. If you can see, like, I'm twisting it, and then I'm making sure that it's falling out of the barrel. And that's literally all you have to do. This is my very first time trying this out, and I absolutely love how it turned out. So at the end of the video and the start of the video, that was like my second attempt, but this right here is my first attempt. So I'm just showing you guys exactly my method on what I do to get like beach wave type of look. So you put it in and you curl in it, but you're making sure that it's falling out of the barrel. And that's literally it. So simple. It was hard for me to do this at first, but then I got the hang of it and it's giving. Okay, and then once I'm done, I'm gonna go ahead and spray some Sebastian Shaper Plus all over the hair. I would rather spray a texture spray in the hair, but I did not have a texture spray, so I just sprayed some Sebastian Shaper, and then I'm just using my fingers to finger detangle the hair. You can see it's looking nice and wavy already, but I really wanted it to have a more wavy type of look, so that's why I went in and did it a second time. But yeah, I'm using this big comb to comb it through. And it's all right, but it wasn't giving me like the beach waves that I was going for. But then again, this was my very first attempt, so I did go ahead and do it again. And right here, you can see how nice and silky this hair is looking. The only thing I'm going to say is the color does transfer. So you can see my hands are very red. I'm applying some Care Silk and Seal on my hands, and then I'm just running it through the hair just to give it a nice little shine. And I don't know, I just love Silk and Seal. That's like my favorite thing. This is how the hair turned out. And then I'm going to show you guys the next day what it looks like. Oh, and I just wanted to show you guys how the edges is looking. You can see I kind of over bleached the knots just a little bit because I always bleach my wigs, well, most of them. And that's what I did to this one, but I over bleached it just slightly. But yeah, this is how the wig is looking. Super pretty. You guys, this is the end of the video. Make sure you leave a comment down below to win this wig. Also, don't forget to check out Nadula hair. I will have your links in my description box if you guys are just interested in buying this hair in case you don't win or whatever. I'll have the links down below. This is how far the part goes back. I just wanted to do more of like a messy beach wave type of look. So the more I run my hands through it, the more like it will fall. But it just looks like this. Hold on. It's just like super pretty and effortless. I just love that you could do this with a body wave wig. So it's definitely giving. Like, I really like it. But the color does transfer. That's the thing. Like the color bleeds. So just bear in mind that. And also, like, my lace is a little bit messed up right here because I had this wig on for 3 days. So yeah. But nevertheless, this is the end look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave your comments down below to enter the giveaway. That's how you enter. And I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye.